Today we're looking at how to use Reels to show off your collaborations on social media. So this is Leeds Plus Social, and they've done a collaboration with the Yorkshire Cheese Grill. And as you can see, what they've done is they pulled together a little reel as a collaboration. And the reel shows lots of short, quick images of the area and grabs local attention, along with a variety of toasties to grab any cheese lover's attention. It's the short and sweet sort of explanation in the video itself, and it's really elaborated in the caption. So you see, basically, this is all about where it is, how delicious it is. It's showing off how they make it, how fresh it is, all that kind of stuff. So that kind of I guess, entices you in. They've made it very clear where it is with the Trinity Kitchen. And then I made lots of little jokes, things like some Gouda news for Leeds. And they've done the tags. And then they've done some amazing hashtags as well for anybody who's going to be interested in this. And as you can see, people have got really, really behind it. And they've got more engagement on this post than they have on quite a lot of their other posts. And the reason why is because they've got mega targeted. They use that kind of food porn idea of the reel on the reel. But what's great about it is that it is a collaboration. It is, I guess, a place collaborating with an independent business, as well as obviously supporting the wider businesses around it. Because if you're going to go in for a toasty, you might grab a coffee at one of the other vans as well. And also, actually, the fact that they've used a national day is also really great, because it's a great way of actually, a place finding a business within it. So it might be National Donut Day or any of the other days as well. Now, if I was these guys, one of the things I'd want to do is try and engage with as many local businesses within my place as possible. So I would go to my dashboard of Maybe, and I would go to engage and go into location, and I would select Leeds. And in here, you can see all of the businesses that are coming up top trumps on for engagement on social media. So for example, it might be the allotment store. I would want to comment in there, and I would want to engage. I might want to even create a post off the back of it, because my customers might find it interesting. Essentially what this does is it becomes a digital signpost back to the Leeds social. It also becomes a digital signpost back to whoever is in the collaboration as well, because guess what, if they're interested in coming to the hotel, if they're interested in doing any of these things, then the likelihood is they might be interested in the cheese toasties, or they might indeed be interested in what else the other Instagram account has to offer. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the link to go get and we'd love to help.